Hi everyone, and welcome back to the O Show. On today's episode, we are going to be taking a sponsored look at Bityard. Bityard is a margin trading platform. Anytime I do sponsored content, it helps to support me and my show, thus being able to create content for you and allowing me to be a stay-at-home mom. Before we get into Bityard, we need to talk about the risks of margin trading. If you are a brand new trader, you have no business margin trading. Margin trading allows traders to make a lot of money and to also lose a lot of money. So if you are not experienced, do not get on the platform and do not sign up for it. If you are interested in signing up for the platform, my ref link is going to be up above or down below. You can go ahead and do so. But again, if you are not an experienced trader, do not even think about registering for the exchange. Now, all right, folks, so this is the home page of Bityard. And on the first part here, it talks about some of the commission and the affiliate program they have, which I will get into that soon. But let's go ahead and go down here and talk about some of the safety things that they have. So first and foremost, as far as safety goes, they have a two-factor authentication, 2FA. So it's completely anonymous to trade, multiple offline signatures, cold storage of asset, real-time risk audit, full refund warranty, limited risk with potential of infinite profit. So let's talk a little bit about the full refund warranty they have. If there is a system overload or there's something crazy that happens on the exchange, they will refund you, which is good. Let's talk a little bit about this part. Limited risk with the potential for infinite product. There is not a lot of limited risk. There is a lot of risk associated with margin trading. You can use stop losses. You can have your take profit area there. All of that is gauged depending on each trader. So please be aware of that as well. Why trust Bityard? Bityard is the world's leading cryptocurrency contracts exchange headquartered in Singapore. They provide safe, easy, and fast crypto asset trading services in more than 150 countries. So make sure to check their terms of services to make sure that you can legally trade using Bityard. They adhere to product concept of complex contracts, simple trade, and aims to bring the ultimate simplified trading experience to their customers. So it is pretty easy to use. They've got a friendly and concise user interface and convenient for commands. Users can register on an account in 30 seconds and trade with as little as 5 USDT. Bityard supports both mainstream cryptocurrency and OTC. The important thing to realize here is that you could margin trade with only $5, which is really, really cool. Again, each person needs to analyze the risk. Fast, they have the fastest trading engine in the industry, matching 1 million transactions per second, TPS. Users can flexibly choose from 10 times to 100 times leverage. So the leverage is going to be different on different products. That is important to use. Again, if you are not an experienced trader, you do not want to sign up for Bityard. As far as being regulated and licensed, this is the most important thing, especially for margin trading exchanges. So Bityard is regulated and licensed under the Singapore's ACRA, USA's MSB, and Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, which belongs to the United States Department of the Treasury, Estonia's MTR, and Australia's AUSTRAC. It's important that they're licensed and registered in all of these places and that you're allowed to trade in them. Exchanges that are not licensed and registered, you want to stay off of them. That is a very big red flag to me. Again, you can start trading in about 30 seconds. When I set up my account, it literally took 30 seconds. It was super fast to do. There was no KYC. Yes, it does take a little bit extra time to do the 2FA, all that fun stuff. But another cool feature that they have is they've got the mobile app. You can trade using the mobile app on the Apple Store or on the Android Store or Google Play. Me personally, when I'm margin trading, I do not want to touch mobile trading, but some people do, and it is a great thing, especially if you are traveling. If you need any help or you have questions, comments, or concerns, you can check out their FAQ page and you can contact them. They have a huge community to where you can reach out if you need any help, so make sure you guys take advantage of it. Next, let's go to our trading page here. This is the trading page, and these are the different markets you can trade. They're all USDT Tether pairs. So they offer Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Dash, EOS, ETC, Ethereum, Link, Litecoin, Tron, and XRP. They've got a line chart, which is really cool. But me personally, I like to trade with a candlestick chart. Of course, the data that they're going to have, it's going to be a lot less than if you're on TradingView, but that is because they're just using Bityard's data, which is pretty good, and I'm glad that they're doing so. So here, similar to TradingView, here's the area that you can plug in all your indicators, your tools, all that different type of stuff. And up at the top, it tells you the change of whatever product you want to trade. In this case, we're taking a look at Bitcoin USDT. Down here, you can see your position size, pending orders, and the history. So all your losses and all that different type of stuff. You won't be able to see my stuff here because I am using a throwaway account. Down here is going to be the live action of the floating profit and loss of USDT. You won't see mine here because, again, this is a throwaway account. My current balance is about $248. Tether tells you how much margin I've used and how much equity. Equity and balance should be about the same because that's about as much as you have to trade. Let's say you want to go ahead and deposit funds. You click deposit now, and you can do so here. You can deposit all of these different coins, and they even support Huobi, which is great. Again, you guys, when using USDT Tether, make sure you're plugging in the correct amount. Here's your withdrawal and here is your internal transfer. Let's get back to the trading page here. So now that we talked about that, you can actually change the layout, which is really cool. Me personally, this is fine for me. I don't need too much. If you want to change the lighting to dark mode or light mode, you can. Over here, this is where you would go ahead and place an order. They have market and limit orders. Some exchanges have different ones, but in market order is when you buy right now. The current price is $9,077 if you want to long or to short. Green is long when you expect price to go up, that is bullish. Shorting is selling, and that's when you expect price to be bearish. You can modify your leverage according here. You can go ahead and select how much you want to leverage in. You can go ahead and actually manually type it here as well. With a limit order, it's a little bit different. You would actually set a bid and you would wait for your bid to get hit. Me personally, I trade with limit orders because I want to control my trade. It's better for risk management. And if you're margin trading, you kind of should be paying attention to that. Also, too, is whenever you plug in a bid, it's going to give you where your stop loss is and where your take profit area is. And you can also modify that accordingly. Down here, it's going to give you the description of the product you're trading, the trading rules, the name, mini margin, max margin, trading hours, leverage, holding time, and closing time. With this exchange, they have specific hours you can actually withdraw your profit. So be very careful with that. I want to say it's from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Singapore time. And if you're trying to withdraw your money outside of those areas, you will not be able to. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of these settings here. So these are the settings area. This is where you can actually adjust your take profit and your stop loss. TP is take profit, stop loss is, or SL is your stop loss, and you can go ahead and modify it accordingly and, do it this way over here. Again, this platform, the way the interface is for more advanced traders. So please take that into consideration. Just kind of wanted to show you that there. Let's go ahead and go to their affiliate program. That is important. If you're going to use the exchange, you might as well shill your affiliate ref link just so you can make some additional money. So this is their affiliate platform, the KOL. Become Bityard's business partner. Convert your influence into commission. So they're offering up to 60% commissions on all trading fees, professional one-on-one associates from their business department to help. Let's say you have a trading group or a YouTube channel and you want to go, or even a community and you want to shill this ref link, they have people that can actually help you do it. Real-time settlement. So anytime somebody uses your ref link and you get money, it gets settled in real time. Data transparency, multi-dimensional report with detailed information on transaction, data, and commission trade. 3 steps to earn commission. Share your ref link. You get commission, and then you can upgrade once you get 100 referrals, which is actually a really cool thing that they offer. A lot of other ref programs don't do that. Some of Bityard's global partner recruiting projects. There's just different things here regarding your commission records. Different trophies for different tiers. So, and one really cool thing about this is that the invite friends for the first tier, like the first trophy, it only expires 6 months later, and you need 1 affiliate or more. But with all the others, bronze, silver, gold, and diamond, they never expire. And a lot of margin trading platforms will not tell you that it actually expires. So if you're shilling a ref link, it's only good for a certain amount of time. It's never forever. So the goal is obviously to get the diamond KOL, but sometimes it can be a little bit hard to get referrals and people that actually deposit. If you need more help, you can go ahead and contact them below there, and they're pretty fast at responding. Next, let's talk a little bit more about the promotion that they have going on. They have a welcome bonus. If you set your new username, you get 1 USDT. If you bind your mobile or email, you get another $1. Conduct a demo trading ones. They have 2 USDT. Conduct live trade session 1. So the first live trade, you go ahead and you get some money. 8. You get $8 if you surpass $10,000 in trading volume, which that's kind of a lot of volume. $18 if you surpass $50,000 in trading volume, so on and so forth. And then they've got a trading mining BYD, which is their token that they have. We'll talk about that in a little bit. So the YouTube recruitment platform competition, they're giving about 39,000 XRP for the winner. I am not signed up with this just because I don't like trading competitions. All right, back up here. Let's talk about daily mining. This is probably the coolest thing they have. So with this area here, you can actually mine on the platform. You can mine any of these different cryptocurrencies they have, and it can actually go to deduct some trading fees for some of the mining profits you get. How to get BYD. BYD is a platform token issued by Bityard. The total supply is 210 million. There are 10.24 million BYD in this promotion. Get 6 BYD after activation. Each account can receive up to 16 BYD. The gift money rules are down here. So this is a really cool feature that they offer this type of mining. If you're interested, you can go ahead and check it out and kind of play with it a little bit. But I think that it's really cool. And I also like the deduct trading fee here. This is actually pretty interesting. I don't know any other margin trading platform that offers it. Lastly, you guys, on the More tab here, this is going to be the beginner's guide, contract guide, FAQ, and announcements. You want to pay attention to this stuff. Again, if you're a new trader, you have no business being on the exchange. Lastly, let's talk about these tabs over here. These are your assets, my assets, deposit, withdrawal, internal transfer. Here's going to be all your business. You can see the promotions they have here, your account security affiliate. And then over here is basically the little barcode that you can scan, and you can change the languages here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. One last thing before we go. If you are not an experienced trader, you have no business margin trading. And if you do want to margin trade and you feel you are ready to do so, please make sure you use your stop loss and your take profit area and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.